This week we launch our co-design exercise which will help us shape a future sustainable farming scheme for Wales with you. And we are keen to hear your ideas. This is an opportunity to explore some of the more practical aspects of the proposals included in last year's Sustainable Farming and Our Land consultation. In the consultation we proposed a farm sustainability assessment, as well as a number of actions we may include in a scheme to address soil husbandry, animal health planning, farm development strategy and habitat management, including the integration of farm woodlands. It is important we harness your expertise if we are to tackle the challenges which matter to all of us, such as the ongoing sustainable production of high-quality food, tackling the climate emergency and addressing the loss of biodiversity. We cannot do this without you. We need your ideas and experience. There will be a range of ways to get involved, from online surveys to a series of discussion groups all across Wales. Please contact Mentor a Business or visit their website for details of how to get involved.